Good day, Shopify store owners. If you're looking for a super simple yet powerful way to grow your email list, capture phone numbers, and boost your sales, let me introduce to you Popconvert pop-ups banners. What does Popconvert do? This app lets you create pop-ups, banners, and smart boards to turn your site visitors into subscribers and customers. Want to share a coupon, promote a flash sale, or simply drive traffic to a specific part of your store? PopConvert make it easier. With drag and drop editor, you can design custom pop-ups and banners that look and feel native to your store. Plus, it also supports lead captures forms, smart announcements, and event integrations using webhooks. No coding needed, just plug, play, and grow. Key features includes pop-ups to capture leads or announce customers, offers, smart bars that show persistent, important info, fully customizable designs, campaigns to redirect traffic anywhere in your store, and also social proof pop-ups on a growth plan. When it comes to pricing, there's a free plan that gives you up to 1,000 unique visitors per month and 50 subscribers. Great for new stores. Need more? The growth plan starts at $29 a month and gives you unlimited visitors, pop-ups, smart boards, and emails plus 24/7 live chat support. And yes, there's a 7-day free trial so you can try before you commit. When it comes to rating and reviews, it now over 14,000 reviews and an amazing 4.9 star rating. PopConvert is one of the best trusted pop-up and banner tools on Shopify App Store. So, if you're ready to start turning visitors into loyal customers, give PopConvert pop-ups banners a try today.